The Scott Easy Airline is a pressure demand Type C supplied air respirator approved by NIOSH and MSHA for respiratory protection from non-IDLH atmospheres in non-fire related applications. The Easy Airline is not intended for any situation involving or potentially involving fire. Improper use of the respirator, such as use without adequate training, disregard of warnings, or the SCBA's written instructions, may result in personal injury or death. This video is designed to familiarize you with your new Scott Easy Airline and many of its operating features. In particular, we will demonstrate how to conduct a pre-use inspection, how to don and doff the Easy Airline, and proper cleaning and maintenance of the equipment. Keep in mind this program is intended only as a general guide. It's designed to supplement but not replace your Easy Airline's written operating and maintenance procedures, as well as the specific procedures required by your organized respiratory protection program. Before we discuss actually using the Easy Airline, it is important that you have at least a general idea of how the airline supplied respirator works. The Scott Easy Airline respirator is a positive pressure Type C supplied air respirator designed to provide respiratory protection during entry into, work in, and egress from atmospheres in which there is a concentration of objectionable, irritating, or hazardous substances. The Easy Airline respirator is not intended for and should never be used in atmospheres which are oxygen deficient or which are considered IDLH or immediately dangerous to life or health. The Easy Airline respirator consists of these major sub-assemblies: a full facepiece and head harness, a facepiece mounted positive pressure regulator, a body harness, and an air supply hose connecting the respirator to a remote air supply. The Scott Easy Flow Style Regulator is equipped with an air saver switch that can be depressed to prevent loss of air during donning and doffing. It is also equipped with a purge valve, which may be used to provide a flow of air into the facepiece for rapid removal of condensed moisture or fog on the interior of the facepiece, or to provide air in the event of a malfunction of the breathing regulator. Two facepieces are available with this respirator: the Scottovista and the AV2000. The AV2000 design incorporates a nose cup with two inhalation check valves and dual voice emitter for clear, crisp voice communications. The Scottovista facepiece offers a wide-angle field of vision and easy donning and doffing. It does not have a nose cup or voice emitter. Both facepieces are available in 3 sizes for a broad range of facial fit configurations and have color-coded face seals for quick and easy size identification. 2 types of head harnesses are available for use with the facepieces: a black-colored head harness made of polyester and a yellow-colored head harness made of Kevlar, a flame-resistant fabric. Securely holding the respirator to the user's body is a comfortable strap and belt assembly. The waist belt features easily adjustable belt clips and fasteners, and a quick-release buckle permits quick doffing. A strain relief clip prevents the supply hose from tugging on the regulator. The air supply hose connects the mask-mounted breathing regulator of the respirator to a remote breathing air supply system. And because not all customer requirements are the same, a range of various coupling options are available, including Schrader-plated steel couplings, Hansen brass with zinc finish couplings, Hansen HK stainless steel, and Foster stainless steel. Supply hose is available in increments of 25, 50, or 100 feet, up to a total length of 300 feet. 150 feet for the Hansen HK coupling. Check your Easy Airline operating and maintenance instructions for details about your supply hose. Because Scott has made every effort to develop a complete family of products, your Easy Airline is easily interchangeable with many of Scott's other air purifying and air supplied products. Your Scott facepiece may be used with these Scott air supplied and air purifying respirators, including the Scott Industrial SCBA, the NFPA-approved Scott Air Pack 50 2.2 4.5, the Scapac Combination Airline SCBA, Easy Airline, and Scott Twin Cartridge and Gas Mask Style Air Purifying Respirators. With Scott's family of products, establishing a safety program is easy. Training is simple. Because the Scott facepiece is interchangeable, fit testing different facepieces to various respirators isn't necessary. Your Easy Airline should be inspected when you first receive the respirator, as well as before and after each use of the respirator. Begin by inspecting the harness for frayed webbing or damaged buckles. Make sure the waist belt and shoulder strap are assembled properly, and adjust the waist belt to approximately the full-out position. Next, inspect the air supply hose segments for cuts and signs of contamination. Check the end fittings of the hose and clean out any dirt or obstructions. Then inspect the air inlet hose assembly that connects the air supply hose to the breathing regulator for any damage or wear. Check that the strain relief clip on the waist belt is present and in good working condition. Close the breathing regulator purge valve, the red knob on the regulator, and inspect it for any exterior damage, and inspect the facepiece for any damage. Check rubber components for wear, damage, or cracks. Check the lens for cracks, gouges, or scratches that could impair the operation of the facepiece or the user's vision. Check that all 5 frame and harness retainers are present and installed tightly. And if using an AV2000 facepiece, check the nose cup, making certain that it is properly seated behind the chin pocket of the facepiece seal. Now check the facepiece seal. Begin by attaching the regulator to the facepiece with the red purge valve at 12 o'clock and quickly giving it a quarter turn. Cover the plug at the end of the regulator's inlet air hose with your thumb or finger. Tightly hold the facepiece to your face and inhale slightly to create a suction. With a secure seal, the facepiece should pull toward your face. Hold your breath for about 10 seconds, checking for any leakage of air. Next, check the airflow from the air supply system. First, fully depress the regulator's air saver switch, being certain the red purge knob is closed. Next, connect the regulator hose to the air supply hose, and the air supply hose to the air supply system. If necessary, adjust the air supply pressure at its source to maintain operating pressure above 60 psig. Next, hold the facepiece firmly to your face and inhale sharply to start the flow of air, and take several normal breaths to check the airflow. Momentarily hold your breath. If airflow continues, adjust the fit of the facepiece to your face to make sure you have a seal. When you have a seal, air should only flow when you take a breath. Next, press the air saver switch to stop the flow of air. Check the purge knob by rotating it 1/2 turn counterclockwise. Air should flow freely into the facepiece, increasing as the knob is turned. Return the valve to a closed position to stop the airflow. Doff the regulator from the facepiece by depressing the thumb latch and giving the regulator a 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Disconnect the respirator's air inlet hose from the air supply source. If during the inspection any part malfunctions, remove it from service and tag it for repair. To don the Easy Airline respirator, begin by attaching the shoulder strap to the waist belt, so the tri-slide buckle will be in front of you and closest to the belt buckle's male end. Pass the shoulder strap over the right shoulder and head onto the left shoulder and buckle the waist belt. If you prefer to have the air supply hose on the right side, attach shoulder strap to the first and second D rings from the female buckle and place shoulder strap over left shoulder and head to rest on the right shoulder. Make sure you adjust the shoulder strap so it holds the waist belt at waist level by sliding the tri-slide up toward your shoulder. Slide the air inlet hose of the breathing regulator through the loop on the back of the shoulder strap, so the regulator hose inlet is near the unused D ring on the hip of the waist belt, readjust the shoulder strap if necessary. Now connect the strain release clip to the D-ring on the waist belt. The regulator should hang over your shoulder in front of your chest approximately 10 inches. Connect the air supply hose to the inlet hose and adjust the pressure of the air supply system to the operating pressure of the respirator. This should be in the range of 60 to 125 psig. It's a good idea to have a pressure gauge as close to your air supply connection as possible for easy readability. After making sure you have the right size facepiece, don the facepiece by first adjusting all head straps to the full outward position. Hold the head harness out of the way with one hand while placing the facepiece on your face with the other hand. Pull the head harness over your head, making sure all straps are lying flat with no twists. Tighten the neck straps upward and stroke the head harness down the back of your head and tighten the neck straps. Adjust the temple straps by pulling the strap ends toward the back of the head. When the temple straps are adjusted, then retighten the neck straps if necessary. Don any necessary head protection. You are now in the standby position. Before entering the contaminated area, insert the regulator into the facepiece with the red purge valve at 12 o'clock. A quick quarter turn locks it into place. To start the flow of air, inhale sharply. Take several deep breaths to check the operation of the respirator. Check the air pressure at the point of attachment of the air supply system to the supply hose during inhalation and exhalation. If everything is operating properly, you can proceed into the work area in accordance with the directions of your organization's respiratory protection program. After leaving the contaminated area and returning to a safe, clean, breathable atmosphere, undock the regulator by pressing the air saver switch and the thumb latch and giving the regulator a quarter turn counterclockwise. Loosen the facepiece's neck straps and remove it by pulling it up and over your head. Disconnect the air supply hose from the regulator inlet hose and turn off the air supply system if not being used by others. Scott recommends you clean and inspect the respirator after each use. First, inspect all the equipment for worn or aging rubber parts, worn or frayed harness webbing, or damaged components. Any damaged components should be tagged and removed from service for repair. You should refer to your Easy Airline operation and maintenance instructions for complete cleaning and disinfecting procedures. Your Scott Easy Airline is designed and built to give you dependable operation along with trouble-free service life. However, keep in mind the Easy Airline is like any mechanical device. It requires a certain amount of care and maintenance. It's important that you read and understand the operating and maintenance instructions which come with your Easy Airline and its accessories, and carefully follow the training offered by your instructors. With a good understanding of how it works, you will be able to rely on the Easy Airline to meet your respiratory protection needs efficiently and reliably. The Easy Airline Type C supplied air respirator must be connected to a suitable supply of clean, dry, grade D breathing air. It is a good idea to test your air supply for grade D on regular basis. Using your Easy Airline in temperatures near or below 32 degrees Fahrenheit may freeze condensation inside the air supply lines or respirator. The flow of breathing air could be reduced or stopped completely. Also, because the airflow to the Easy Airline is supplied continuously, the Scott VibraLert end-of-service indicator, available with many Scott SCBAs, is not incorporated into this respirator. Remember, the Easy Airline is not intended to protect against high heat or flame, or in situations that are immediately dangerous to life and health. If accidental exposure to high heat and or flame is possible, the Easy Airline respirator should not be used. For applications that do involve IDLH or high heat conditions, Scott offers a range of other respirators. The Easy Airline may also be equipped with a number of accessories, including a neck strap used to hold the facepiece in the standby position, a clear protective lens cover to protect the facepiece from external scratching, splatters, paint spray, and abrasions. The Scott voice amplifier for the AV2000 facepiece provides clear, crisp communications over greater distances. The Scott air cart can be used as a source for remote air. For more information on purchasing a Scott Easy Airline, contact your local Scott distributor or contact Scott directly at 704-282-8400.